Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So just like at the beginning of the video, you saw a picture. So today I'll be doing a cam profile. I'm gonna read the picture again. It says a cam profile which will impact motion to a roller follower is required to draw to scale 1:1. So we're drawing scale 1:1. The full profile of a disc cam using the following data: minimum diameter 30 millimeter, stroke height, lift or fall 40 millimeter, shaft diameter 22 millimeter. Performance rises 40 millimeter for the first 180 of a cam rotation according to the simple harmonic motion. So we're supposed to draw the displacement graph here, and we'll also draw the path of the roller. Okay, and it says dwells for the next 90 degree of a cam rotation, falls 40 millimeter for the next 90 degree of a cam rotation according to uniform velocity. Anti-clockwise rotation cam. Show the displacement diagram and all construction. The roller follower need not to be drawn. A shaft diameter of 22 millimeter must be hashed accordingly. Okay, the instruction says the roller follower must not be drawn, but in this case we will draw it just to show everything, because in some of the questions they will ask. Okay, first what I will do, I'm gonna draw the shaft diameter. The shaft diameter is the one which needs to be hashed. Okay, say it's 22. What I will do, I'm gonna measure 11. This is my 11. Okay, let me shift my center a little bit because I think the space will beat me here. Okay, so all you need to do is draw a vertical and a horizontal, get your center, and then draw your shaft. There, 22. And then from there we need to draw a roller. So we're not given the roller, so usually the roller is smaller than it's smaller than a shaft itself, and we're not given the distance from the center of the roller and the shaft, but I'm just gonna assume it. Okay, let's say it's 25, and then I'm gonna mark not 25. Okay, let's say it's 30, and then that will be my center. And then the roller diameter, I'll make it, let's say let's say 8. Okay, the diameter will be 16. So this is the radius, and then I'm gonna draw my roller here. After that, I'm gonna draw the follower, but they said it's not needed, so I'm gonna make it 10. So I'm gonna mark, just drawing it just in case, so that you guys can learn. So from there, I'm gonna draw my vertical line, and also I'm gonna assume I'm going to assume the roller follower. Okay, let's make from the center. Yeah, let's make it 65. Okay, so this is what I will do. From there, this is my follower. Okay, let me make this shaft a little bit dark. And then from there, from the center of the roller, I'm just gonna draw a horizontal line like this. We're gonna start with our simple harmonic graph. I'm gonna draw it here at the far right. This will be our starting point. So what's needed? We are told that the rise is 40, so it means we draw a semicircle of 40. The diameter is 40, so I'm gonna measure my 40 there. 40, and then this is the center. So what I will do, I'll come with the compass, put it at the center, and then draw a semicircle like that. So that semicircle, I'm gonna divide it into 6 equal parts. So you know, I hope everybody knows how to divide it into 6 equal parts. Okay, if you forgot, this is how you do it. You put a compass point here, you come here, and then you come here, and then you come to this point. This. So the center, I forgot to draw the center. Horizontal center. Then you can get other ones from the center. You come from the center to this, and you put this. Then after that, you can just join these lines. Like this, so that you can be able to count. It makes things easier to count. And so remember, guys, these are the construction lines. So first, we'll draw the simple harmonic graph. So as you know that a circle is complete by 360 degrees. So it's from 0 to 360 degrees to complete a circle. These intervals, they're 30, 30, 30. So it means you will write here 0, 30, 60, 90. This makes things easy. 120, 150, and 180. It means to complete the other half, it will give us 360. So then from there to this horizontal line, you mark 12 equal parts. To draw the displacement, you take this distance and then you mark 12 equal parts. 1, 2. I hope everything is clear. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So again from there, you say 0, 30, 90, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, and then you have 210, 240, 270, 300, 330, 360 degree. So from 0 up to 360, it makes a complete circle. So what happened? This cam follower is found on a car. So this is just a simple harmonic motion of how this follower will go when it completes the circle. So it will be going around the circle. We'll also draw the cam profile here, and then to be able to see how this roller goes against this shaft, how it rotates around the shaft. So the instruction said we must section the shaft. Okay. Okay, from there we are going to draw a displacement graph. So let's go back again. So we are told that the rise of 40 millimeter, which is this one, from here to here is 40 millimeter. So okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw vertical lines like this, vertical construction lines. So you must do vertical construction lines. Okay, all done. And then all you must do, okay, you must, each point here, you must draw it and then come to 60 horizontal like that, and until we already have 120, 150. I hope now it's starting to make sense. 180, So our displacement graph will be here. Okay, the displacement graph. Okay, we were told that it will rise for the first 180. Where's our 180? 150, 180. It will come here. And then dwell. We were told that it will dwell. Dwell, it means stationary. It means it will have a horizontal line up to for the next 90 degree. It means from 180, it's 180 to 270 up to here. Then from there it falls. It will come here. So what are you going to do from you have the starting point here, and then follow the next point, just going up like this, like this, like this. So this one you join it by a free hand. Must draw neat. And then from there we're told it's straight. It means you draw a straight line, and then the fall is this straight little line up to 360. There. So now this is your displacement graph. This one will remain as construction. So you see, so all these points, the next one is 0 going up like this, like this. As you can see, 30 has 30, 60 has 60, 90. You go like this. It corresponds. It's a graph. 120. You go like this. 120. They must meet at the center. 150. They must meet. So from there we are done. So if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask the guys. Okay, from there now we're going to draw the harmonic. From there now we're going to draw the rotation, how this roller is moving around, so around the shaft. So we're going to draw the cam profile now. So what do you need to do? You come to the center here. What you need to do, you come to the center. You see these lines, all this horizontal from 0, 30, 60, 90, 120. So you come to the center, all of them will draw a circle. Okay, we'll start with this one. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with this one and draw a complete circle. This is the maximum diameter of the cam profile. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna divide it into 12 equal parts. So all you need to do is come to this side. The same method I was using there. You mark there, you mark there, you mark there, you mark there. This is the simplest method of dividing a circle. And then from there you draw Just simple construction lines. This will help you to draw your cam profile. I forgot the other one here, but it's going to be joined by this one. You must pass from the center guys. Like that. So remember, as I was saying, I'm gonna take each line from here, from the vertical, and then you draw a line like that, and then you come to this one, you draw a circle like that, come to this one, draw a circle like that, and then you come to this one, you draw a circle like that, and then you come to this one, you draw a circle like that. It means we're supposed to have 6 circles. The circles, the constructions, guys. So what we're gonna do, we already have the first one. The first one is this one, which is 0. So they say it's moving anti-clockwise, so we're gonna name these ones also. This is my 0, and then we're gonna have 0, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 330, 360. So this thing will be moving anti-clockwise. So we have 0, and then we're going to 30, 30, where's 30? Yes, 30. It's going with 30. We have a point here. And then 60, where's 60? It's going with 60. Yes, my 60. And then we move like this, we go to 60, another point. And then we have we're going to 90. Where's 90? 90, it goes like this. 90. We're going to 120. Where's 120? 120 goes like this. Yeah, it comes here. 120. And then from there we go to 150. Where's 150? Yes, my 150 is this circle. It comes to this point, 150 and 150. And then we go to 180. 180 is the outside one, which is this one. We're starting again. And then it means it goes up to here, 180, and then we are told that from here to here it dwells. So it means from here to there, from 180 to 270. We'll have this point here, 210. it will be running here at the outside one, 270 up to 270, and then from 270 it falls. Okay, this is 300. Okay, from okay, here's one. Let's check our 300. This is our 300 point here, and then we're going to take it from the graph there, draw horizontal, and then this is what you do. This is our 300. You draw a circle like that. Make sure, guys, you're not confused where it means 300 and 300. This is my point, and then we go 330. We take 330. Everything you draw using this graph. Where's my 330? There's my 330. I draw horizontal line like that, and then this is my 330, 330, 330. This is my 330. Come from the center. Okay, 330 and is here. You got the point. There's no need just to draw the complete circle. The most important thing is to get the point. And then here 360 is the same line as this one. It means it's coming back here. So then from there you join those points using a free hand again. A nice free hand. And then you do like this. This is the motion, and then here you can use a compass since it's on the circumference of the circle. You join it like this. So this is your cam profile. You join these points. You are done. This is how it's going to be. You can draw small circles on each point here, just to show how it looks, the construction. It means your roller will be having this motion. Then it comes back here. Again, all over again, and all over again. So this is how it's done. You have your displacement graph here. You can write here at the bottom. You can print and write displacement graph. You know, you print. You use the capital letter. You write it, and then this is your cam profile. So this is how it looks. So some of the cam profile, they will require it to be tangent and to this one. So it means your rollers will be here. So there's nothing different. It just means that your zero will this time will start here. Your zero will start here. It means your cam profile will go like this. The instruction will tell you if it needs to be tangent or not. So this is your cam profile. This is how it looks. So I hope everything is fine, and thank you for watching, guys. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me. I mean to comment, to ask any question. So this is how you draw your displacement graph and then your cam profile. Thank you. Goodbye. See you next time.